My name is Sadie, and I have no idea what I'm doing with my life. You can see in the light over there how the snow is falling down. Although that might be rain. I think it's still rain. I don't think it's snow yet. But all of that shiny stuff down there, that's not frost, it's not water. Everything that's reflecting, that is freezing rain. I don't know how well you can hear me. My little mic that I had, like, just kind of broke on me, so I fear my quality is gonna be trash. But hey, maybe if this video performs well, I can buy some new ones. Anyway, not that I'm actually expecting it to. This is probably gonna be my first YouTube video ever. And who knows what kind of content I'll put out in the future, because I wasn't expecting this to happen. We had some insane snow last year. Normally when we have crazy snow one year, we don't get it the next year. But this year they're predicting like 50-mile-per-hour winds with snow and the freezing rain we got today. Yeah. Anyways, it's just not shaping up to be like good conditions, as you can probably imagine. So yeah, it's gonna be a time. A good one, a bad one, who knows, but it'll certainly be a time. And yeah, you guys are gonna experience it right along with me. So that should be something. Hopefully it's fun for you. Probably won't be fun for me. Alright guys, I've done my skincare routine. I brushed my teeth. I got in bed pajamas, shout out Manberg, where it was never meant to be, established 2020. Screw Dream, screw Wilbur. I'm going to bed. Good night. I'll see you in the morning. It's 1 a.m. The sound of the snow broke my sleep. Just listen to this. The electricity's still on. Yay! Okay. I packed all my windows in with pillows because it'll keep me warmer, but guys, at least it looks pretty right now. So yeah, we'll. we'll see how this goes. How cold is it out, Keenan?
I don't know.
Are you not wearing shoes?
What?
Are you not wearing shoes?
No, because they're all snowy now.
What shoes did you wear?
Just normal tennis shoes. I couldn't find the snow boots.
You wore pants and snow pants and a coat though,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I wore my base layer under this, so I had to change when I got here.
It's not cold enough outside for that.
What is wrong with you? So, it snowed a lot. I actually lived through one of the biggest blizzards that Kansas has seen since literally before I was born, which is crazy because I've lived here almost 2 decades. But I guess that's global warming for you. Anyway, we were really lucky where I live. We didn't have the power go out, the heat stayed on. They were able to get the roads clear-ish in a timely-ish manner, and we really haven't had a lot of problems because of the snow or the ice, but it did ice first, and so there's all this ice below the snow, which means that as the snow is melting, the ice is still there, and it's just really unsafe. But it's also really beautiful. So I went outside and I took my dad's old Sony A65. This thing is a piece of work, okay? This thing is old. My dad had this for so long that the grip is breaking off of the camera. I don't want to super glue it because I'm worried that if I do, one day there will be something in here that needs fixed and you won't be able to get it off. And so I'm just living with the broken grip right now, but it's fine. This hunk of junk, which I'm kind of in love with because even though it is a piece of crap compared to the modern camera, it takes really awesome photos. So yeah, I went out there, I took a bunch of pictures, I had a lot of good times, and I think I'm gonna go back out in like a little bit, see if I can get some like sunset pictures. I think those would be good. It's really clear today, so around like a couple hours from now, I'll be back out there taking photos, and I'll bring you guys with me this time. So that'll be good.
some really good ones. Down like all the way down there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got some really good ones like all the way over there on the edge. I think they're gonna turn out great. So, fingers crossed. I can barely cross my fingers, it's so cold. Okay, anyway, onwards.